So we're crossing the eastern part of the Great Karoo. We're halfway between Willowmore and Aberdeen on our way to New Bethesda, and we filled up the Jimny this morning in Knysna, and with a standard tank you'll be lucky if you reach Aberdeen. I mean, just look at that. The last 5 minutes I'm driving on an empty tank. It's telling me it's empty, telling me my range is 0. I'm driving now 100 k's an hour, and I'm going to switch the aircon now off as well. We've got a little bit of wind, but the lesson here is, if you're going to take your Jimny 5-door with a roof rack and a rooftop tent and fully loaded, upgrade the petrol tank. If you're heading up into Africa, you know, north of South Africa, add an extra petrol tank. And through Indigenous Africa, we've got a few choices. We've got one make that we've put in the automatic 5-door. I'm going to put next week one in this one. So if you need a tank, make contact. I can give you the pros and the cons, and we can also help you source one. Okay, see you guys in
Hopefully.
Bethesda. Yeah, if we make it.